Hi friends, welcome to smartkidprojects.com. The name of this project is Zigbee based area load management. As you can see on the left hand side, this is the first section and it is called as transmitter section. And this is on the right hand side, this is the receiver section. The first section is to be placed at the control room from where you can control your area power supply at the distance of 1 kilometer. Yeah, this is the benefit of using this Zigbee module, like you can control the area from the distance of 1 kilometer from any normal microcontroller. So now I am going to explain you what components we have used to make this project. On the left hand side, as you can see, this is a Zigbee module, and on the top end you can see this is a numerical keypad. This is again a microcontroller. This is LCD. This section over here is a power supply section. And on the right hand side, as you can see here, this again is a power supply section. This is a Zigbee module again. This is a LCD. This is relay and controllers. That's it. So now I am going to explain you how the project works. Now, in this keypad, if you press start, everything gets on, every area relays get on. Now suppose if you press 1, the area 1 gets off. As you can see from here to here, from transmitter it is written that area 1 is off, and in the other section receiver end it is stated that area 1 is off. Okay. Now if we press 2, it again ons the first relay, as you can see over here. Now it goes same with the other relays also. Now if we press 3, the second relay is off, as you can see over here. And now if we press 4, now again it get on. Now again 5, it get off, as you can see over here, receiver and transmitter end. Now again if we press 6, here it gets on. Now 7, the area 4 gets off, and now again 8, the area 4 gets on. This is basically how the project works, and you can control it from the distance of 1 kilometer by using this Zigbee module. Now again if you press hash, everything gets off. See here, area 1 off, area 2 off, area 3 off, area 4 off, and all the areas are off over here. So this was a simple demonstration of the Zigbee module. The name of this project was Zigbee based area load management. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.